Now we are in Hoian Asian town.
And then let's say to help you to explore the beauty of the ancient town, Hoian ancient town.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Thank you. You need to stay my left side. Okay.
This is small. National Heritage House in Hoian, which were built in the 18th century.
I feel like a very riot. How do you think?
Wealthy guys.
နေရာကတော့ဒုတိယ point နေရာဖြစ်တဲ့ဒီ Chinese Assembly Hall ကိုရောက်ရှိနေတာဖြစ်ပါတယ်။ခင်မီပစ္စည်းတွေမရှိသေးတဲ့အတွက်ဒီလေအားနဲ့ပဲလာကြတာပေါ့နော်။အဲ့ဒါကိုသူက maybe I think about 5 hours or 6 hours. Right?
It can last longer.
How about
About a month.
Yeah.
Can you believe that? Yeah. Because it can
it's recording. Oh, this is the best way.
Okay.
Okay,
You go first and then yeah.
Okay.
The alley is so narrow. Although I am quite small and thin, but it's still narrow to me.
အကျဉ်းဆုံးလမ်းပေါ့နော်။သူ့အတွက်ကတော့လောက်ပဲမဲ့ကျွန်တော်နဲ့ဆိုရင်တော့လုံးဝတော်တော်လေးကိုပဲကျဉ်ပါတယ်
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to say
Yo.
I do it better than you. Oh, hello you guys. We are in Hoian right now and it's like Hoian by night. Everything is so sparkling in the river. Yeah, you can have a look. Tickets right today, like yesterday it's 150, today it's 170.
Wow, why?
I don't know.
Yesterday I bought the ticket like it's one for 2 tickets. But why? It's 170. Too expensive. Oh, there's a lot of tourists. Shouldn't do this. Thank you. Oh. Yes, ready. Take a boat.
Thì nhanh mà.
I'm from Myanmar.
Trời, em là hướng dẫn. Thế là khách của em đó. We are on the boat right now and we're gonna sightsee the beauty of Hoian ancient town by night. Let's see the difference between the daytime and the nighttime. Dạ, con có rồi. Dạ. Dạ con có đây.
Đi đây.
Dạ.
Đưa hết đây chị nó thuận cho.
You need to spend about like one night in Korea.
Yeah, just a day. Just only daytime. I will come back to Da Nang and take a rest a few hours, and I will go to the Hanoi with the flight. It's very
Very packed.
very rush for me, but I don't have enough time